Namaskar. My name is Nishan Shah. I am an electrical engineer by profession, based out of Mumbai, and I am currently learning Sarangi from Dr. Kashyap Dave, whom I very fondly call Guruji. So, way back in 2009, even before the corona pandemic happened, and people were used to working with different softwares, different apps for communication like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. In 2009, Guruji had this vision of actually conducting Sarangi sessions over Skype. I just the very fact that he was willing to experiment with the technology at that time, which was the technology of the real-time streaming video. It was just coming out. Just hats off to the vision and the willingness of Guruji to experiment with the technology and to bring an education like learning of an instrument or basically a facet of the Indian art, to be able to teach this online was so radical at that point of time. It is just, even the thought is just very commendable. I think I give credit to Guruji as somebody who was at that time when he started, somebody who had the know-how from the technical side as well as from the art side or from the Sarangi side. It was a marriage of two good things coming together. Brilliant. I mean, it is just hats off to the experiment right there. Now, when he started this in 2009, I was based out of the United States. I had gone there for my further studies, and he was based out of Ahmedabad. So I was excited because I was getting to learn even while staying in America, and he, I think, was excited because he was able to teach online using internet and real-time video. So it was a win-win, I think, for both of us at that point of time, and that's how we got started. To tell you a few things about Guruji, I think he is somebody who considers this art in very high esteem, and rightly so. After looking at the production of sound and the richness of sound that comes from the instrument, but he's something who has an eye for detail and applies reasoning and scientific reasoning to come up with various techniques of how it can be applied to something like Sarangi playing. That speaks volumes about his analytical ability and also about his understanding of the art. So full marks to him on that side as well. I remember Ustad Sultan Khan Sahab once he said कि डॉक्टर साहब आप इंसानों के ही नहीं सारंगी के भी डॉक्टर हो. I over the years I have just found Guruji in his spare time reinforcing or restructuring broken sarangis and trying to get them back into a condition or a state where they can actually be played, and he has been successful in doing so. I have seen them myself. I have kind of, my sarangi initially was broken when I had bought one before I started learning from Guruji, and I know what the sound was then and what the sound it produced after it was fixed by Guruji. another instance of just his love for the instrument and his dedication towards sarangi. I think one other thing that I have felt over the years is that Guruji believes in cultivating that kind of interest or cultivating that kind of reasoning power within the student. He does not want to lay everything out in front of the student. He wants the student to think, and at the same time he gives them enough information to empower the student, to make him feel more comfortable, to make him feel more confident in receiving this education. One thing that he has done is he has completely changed my perception of sound, my perception of listening. I think he has just revolutionized or kind of given me another brain, a musical brain, to kind of analyze or to even enjoy and experience our music. I think keep going on and on, but I think he is somebody who I think I am very fortunate to have in my life. He not only encouraged me to learn online, but whenever I visited him in person, he showed me so many different facets of sarangi, of how the sound produced from the instrument can be made richer, step by step, how you can do various things with the technique, with the instrument itself. It has just been a joyride over the years of being associated with him and learning from him. So I'm just overwhelmed at this point, and I really want to thank him from the bottom of my heart. So thank you for your time, and thank you for everything, Guruji. Thank you. Bye.